Hi, I'm gonna show you how magnetism used in our daily lives. Magnetism is the force exerted by the magnets when they attract or repel each other. Here in the video, you can see that the refrigerator magnets attract to the fridge door. Why? Because the magnetic field created by the fridge magnet aligns the spins of unparalleled electrons in metal atoms in the fridge, in such a way that the magnet and the fridge door are attracted to each other. This force keeps the magnet stuck to the fridge. Magnets are also found in some commonly used medical equipment such as magnetic resonance imaging machines or MRI. MRIs use powerful magnetic fields to generate a radar-like radio signal from inside the body, using the signal to create a clear, detailed picture of bones, organs, and other tissues. Compass. Compass in the early Chinese are believed to have the first use in magnetic compasses for navigation purposes. They found out that magnets hold direct needles and correlated with the North Pole, and used that information to navigate. Without the compass, many seamen would have been lost in the ocean.